Hey, welcome to the video. This week I am talking about how you can pick up one of the cheapest cameras you can find on Facebook Marketplace or Gumtree or wherever you pick up your secondhand cameras from, and basically go out right now and make photos. The reason I want to make this video is just to show that gear is not as important as everybody makes it out to be, that you can go right now and make a purchase on a cheaper camera and still be able to go out there and make really nice photos with the cheapest thing that you can find. The camera that I'm using right now is the Canon SureShot Zoom, and it was actually on the day of purchasing and shooting this video, it was the cheapest thing I could buy. So I went out and bought it and made you this. Saddle up, let's go. This camera is as basic as it comes. If you want to just take a look here, we've got SureShot 105. It's got a date stamp on the back if you want, and also it's got these functions here: an auto, a flash, a no flash, an auto red eye, a remote control, and a timer. And this thing is just as simple as this. Little zoom lens on the front. So inside I have, and I'm 5 shots in, just giving it a test, and I'm going to go out now with you and make some pictures. So I'm more than halfway through shooting these photos on the Canon SureShot 105, and so far going really good. Thing holds up. This is an area that I used to live in, so it's a little bit familiar to me, but there's plenty of streets here that I haven't even been down. Yeah, one of the things about this Canon is that it is quite loud, so there's definitely no sneaky shots you can do, but it seems to be going okay. I mean, this is my first roll through the whole thing, so you're gonna see if I make any mistakes here. It's a pretty warm afternoon, and I just want to keep walking around because the light's really nice, and these photos are looking good so far. At least they're feeling good.
So I've only got 3 photos to go on this roll. There's some shots that are around that I'm gonna probably take. The light's just looking fantastic, even better than it was before. It's been really fun shooting with this. Just feels like nothing kind of on you, and you can just cruise around and take whatever shots you want, and it's not really a big deal. It's no weight, no worry. Yeah, I gotta try out some of the camera's last features, like the timer and that kind of fun stuff.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys can all see that it's not really the case that you need amazing equipment to make amazing photos. You're not as good as your gear is basically what I'm trying to show you here. And it was really fun to take this camera out, and I'm gonna use it all the time just to throw in my bag and take around with me. But for the price that I paid for it, I'm pretty happy. If you guys want to watch more videos about photography, you should subscribe to the channel just down below. Like the video as well if you can. Your support is really, really appreciated. And if you haven't seen my Instagram, it is Disfigured Space. So if you want to see some of the photos from this week's video, you should go there and check out the content. Cheers.